Hi guys, welcome to another interesting video tutorial on Node.js by TechTechTuts. In this particular video tutorial of Node.js, we will learn that how can we use NPM to see the latest version of different JavaScript frameworks and different JavaScript packages like Angular, and TypeScript, React, Vue CLI, Vue.js, etc. etc. So without any if and but and why and what, let's get into it. So first of all, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Node.js. So to see that whether you have a Node.js version or you don't, just type node minus minus version on the command prompt or terminal, and if you see a version like something version this one, so it means you have already installed Node.js. After that, just write npm minus minus version. If you see 5+ version of npm, then it's fine, you can go ahead with this tutorial. So here it is 6.30. So now come to the topic, that how to see which latest framework of JavaScript like Angular, React.js, Vue.js, TypeScript is available currently, and what other packages are updated in it. So it's very simple. Simply you need to type npm view, then type the installation command of that particular Angular. So suppose we install Angular CLI via Node.js, npm install -g, and then we type @angular -cli. So it will install the latest version of Angular CLI. So here you can see npm, I have typed npm view, then I will write @angular/cli and will press enter. Make sure that your internet connection is available so that it will check on the internet, and then it will display all the versions and updates of that particular package. So you can see Angular CLI @7.10 is the latest version, and these things are being updated like architect, core, schematics, Angular update, encoder, OPN, symbol observable, Angular CLI. And here it's showing the tags. Latest is 7.1.0, next version is 7.1.0-rc.0, and the still supported version is version 6 LTS, long-term support 6.2.8, and we have seen that 3 days ago it's been published an update on Angular. So it means the latest update 7.10 has been updated recently, just 3 days ago. So it means you can now run npm install -g @angular/cli. If you type this, it will install the latest tag version. So it will always go for the latest. But if you want to install version 6, then you simply type here v6-lts, the tag which is shown here, and it will install that version. So not only Angular, other framework you can also view with using this command. So let me show you. If I type npm view create a React app, so this one is for React CLI, and if I press enter, it will go to the internet and select the tags and the version currently latest, which one is the latest version, and will show the complete details here. So as you can see that the latest version is 2.1.1, and there is a canary version also 1.3.1, and next version is 2.0.5 dash next. So you should go with the latest because latest is more stable, and also it will show you that what other packages has been updated inside this React CLI. You can see the dependencies: chalk, commander, crosspan, envinfo, fs extra, hyper request, sem variant, tar pack, temp, validate, npm package name. So these are the packages which are included, and these are the people who are involved in maintaining this React CLI. Next, we can also see like Vue CLI, Vue.js. So if I type npm view dash, I think view/CLI it is. So I will press enter. I think in npm view-CLI @view dash, I think it's @view/CLI. Anyways, it's shown here 2.9.6 version. So let me go with npm view @view-CLI. So this time it will show us the latest version, which is 3.2.1. So this is the latest version, and these are the packages, and these are the maintainer of this application, Vue CLI or Vue.js. So these are the updates which are included inside Vue CLI. So you can see over there. So guys, this is a short video tutorial where I show you that how you can check which framework have which version latest. Whichever version, whichever package you install using npm install, you can check it with npm view. So this is the short tutorial. Hopefully you will like this video tutorial. If you did, please do press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do consider and subscribe to it. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial, and take care. Goodbye.